In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Xbox account to League of Legends. By the end, you'll have your Microsoft and Riot accounts linked, which is especially helpful if you want a smoother sign-in experience across platforms or to claim eligible perks tied to your Xbox profile. Start by opening a web browser and heading to Riot's sign-in page. Log in with your Riot account details just like you normally would. If you use multi-factor authentication, keep your authentication app or email handy, since Riot may ask you to verify your identity before moving forward. Once you're in, look for your account settings. This is the hub where you can manage personal details and all your connections. Inside your account settings, find the Connected Accounts section on the left side of the page. Click that to open the list of services you can link. You'll see options like Facebook, Google, Xbox, and PlayStation. Today, we're focusing on Xbox, so go ahead and select the Xbox option. This will trigger a prompt to continue with Microsoft, and a new window may open. If you don't see it, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Next, sign into your Microsoft account, the same one you use on your Xbox. If you have more than one Microsoft account, double-check that you're choosing the correct one to avoid mixing profiles. After you enter your credentials, and if required, complete any security confirmation, Microsoft will ask you to grant permission for the connection. Approve the request to finalize the link. When you're done, you'll be returned to the Riot page, and you should see Xbox listed as connected. If it doesn't show right away, refresh the page. That's the entire process. It's quick, and once it's set up, you won't need to repeat it unless you choose to disconnect and reconnect later. If the connection fails, try signing out and back into both accounts. Switch to a different browser or clear your cache. Also, ensure you have any security codes ready in case either service asks for verification. A couple of final tips. Make sure you're doing this on a trusted device and avoid entering credentials on public or shared computers. If you ever need to unlink, you can return to the same Connected Accounts area in your Riot settings to manage that. And remember, keeping your login details secure and up-to-date will help prevent hiccups during this process. That's it. Your Xbox account is now connected to League of Legends. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined setup.